Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader known as Fijian Traders. Welcome to my channel. Folks, Digital Marathon, ticker symbol MARA. You know I'm pumped up. I'm sure you guys are pumped up too. You have been investing this stock for a long time and finally we are seeing some gains and I'm excited about it because I'm here with you guys throughout the process of up and down what Digital Marathon has been doing it. Marathon Digital has been doing it. Ticker symbol MARA. Sorry, folks, I'm just pumped and excited. Well, as a lot of technical analysis, I need to cover with you guys some news, target price. So stay tuned. I was not expecting to do the video, but I know there's a lot of requests, so that's why I'm putting the video out for you guys to look at it because we are approaching to a very key level. Yes, folks, we are approaching to a key level. I'm not gonna disappoint you, but something I wanted you guys to be aware of. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, because there's a lot to cover. Folks, you know that I mentioned on my previous video was this, right? So did it in the weekend. Wow, what a run. But before that, you go watch. I have a lot of videos on Marathon Digital Holdings, ticker symbol MARA. And I did mention, wow, not done yet. That was the video on the weekend. I said, we are not done. And there's more to come on that. And sure enough, on Monday, we rip off. Aftermarket, we even closed at $27.76. So, what are the key things to look at, right? We're going to talk about the fundamental side. Then we're quickly going to move towards the technical side because that's the bread and butter. We got to understand what's going on of Digital Marathon. So, Bitcoin, boom, adds to them, right? We know what Bitcoin did, right? Yeah, over 50,000, right? And we're going to cover that too. And that is a run up on that, right? However, do not assume that is the latest run up with both BTC and both spot price. The share of the crypto miner will be proof feeding, right? In the light of promising Bitcoin, the company's specific factors, the irritation of a bullish MAR forecast, right? This stock a month ago was a bearish. And I've been telling you guys, wait for it, because we are about to have a crossover and bam, here you go. We shoot off, right? And we're not done yet. We are not done yet. So stay tuned because there's a lot to cover because we are not done yet. As mentioned, crypto stock rally up after the Bitcoin breaks the 50,000 since 2021. 2021 Bitcoin is back again on that, right? I don't have that big amount of money to spend on Bitcoin, but I did invest it on Mara and I did discuss to you about my portfolio, where I'm at, how's it doing, what's my plan. So let's look at it quickly. This is just, I'm sharing with you guys, not to brag about it, but just to share with you guys, I'm here for long run, right? I have about 2,824 shares. I'm really up over 57% right now. Great, love it, right? You can see my portfolio is red too, right? I'm Tesla about 0.1%, really shy off, and then 1.5% on Boeing and NEO as well as Plug. I'm both up on that, on the 3% and the 4% and the 7%. Well, are we selling it? I am selling it. Not yet, folks. Not yet, because I have a plan on that and monitoring the Bitcoin price. At the same time, some key technical analysis, which I'm going to share with you guys. So let's dive into it right away. Hey, folks, thank you for watching it. I really appreciate it. I know you guys have been following with Marathon Digital, and you guys been really supportive. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button because you know what I discussed in my previous video. I'm about to go on the vacation. I'm going to put some videos where I'm going to be in Hawaii Islands and Fiji Islands. I'm going to be showing where I'm going to be and ask me questions of those islands. Yes, but I'm still going to do another video before I go hop in the plane on Thursday. But the video is coming next is on the Wednesday too as well. Yes, folks, let's go. So, we talked about the $24.39 as our resistance level, and you can clearly see that when the market opened up, kept up high, we tested it, getting rejected. But when the market, that was the pre-market, when the market opened up, holy moly, look at that, clearly got up, rejected, tested as a support. Once it became a support, bada bing, bada boom, here you go. Sorry folks, I'm just excited. This is not normally I do, but I'm pumped up for you guys also because we went up high. Look at the WAP acting as a support. My blue line, it is my 60-day EMA, acted as a support and resistance throughout the time. And we went high of $27.32. Then we kind of came back to $34.27. Come in time we tested. We're getting rejected. But we did close, at the high of $27.28. After markets, we were high and we closed about $27. Let me go all the way. That's all the way. See, even higher, $27.47. Looks like a big resistance, but $27.66. Bam! But before the after market close, we were right there and we closed it up. So what are we looking on 5-day? Nothing changes pretty much on the 5-day. It is all swing, creating higher highs, higher lows. Look at that. The WAP, higher highs, higher lows, right? Up, flat, up. That's what we want. That's what we want. The reason because is we do not want to go straight up because there's going to be a big gap and it needs to be filled. And I did talk about my previous video. To go ahead and watch it about this resistance level. Look at it time and time. Tested 1, 2, 3, 4, and the pre-market 5. Market open, destroyed it. Bam, gone, destroyed. Right. So guess what? It's going to be changing to our favorite color. That is going to be our resistance level moving forward. Well, we're going to go back to the 3 months. We're going to look at the 3 months before we're going to make the headway towards all the way to year to date. And that's something that I want you to guys look at it quickly, right? So this 3 months, you can see how much we had it, right? When we were trading over here, then we gapped down. I told you guys, when we moved, I said, wait for the breakout. And I mentioned it right before the market opens, a day before when our market closed. Right after that, I said, guys, a breakout is coming. Here you go. And the reason because it's not I can predict, I wish I can predict future. It's all on technical analysis because a crossover. The pink line, it is my 200-day EMA, and the blue line. You can clearly see when we had this big uptrend from up here to high, we had this blue line sitting right here because that's an uptrend. Now this blue line when he had the crossover, the pink line, I know the MACD have a lot of room. As I said, folks, we still have a lot of room to left, and that's why it's very exciting. And then we went high, all the way up high. All the way up high at $27.66 after that. So what is the next level, right? What is the next level? We are looking into it because that is a very strong resistance in my point. I'm hoping I'm wrong. I'm hoping I'm wrong. And that is going to be sitting right over here at 27.66, right? We're going to have that, right? We're going to have that as our resistance, right? And it's going to be a red because we love to destroy the red, right? And the next one is going to be right up here, and that's none other than right sitting over here roughly at about $30.40, then $31.09, right? So there's two key levels we got to keep an eye. We're going to break through that because you can see we got rejected quickly on that, and a big gap up here. We filled that gap, folks. So we must be thinking, man, we gapped down, we filled that gap, but guess what? We had this gap down, so we filled it up right on the spot we had it. And all the high of right here at $27.66. That's after market. And then 6 months. What are we looking on the 6 months? Still nothing changes. Right here sitting at those level at $27.75 is my resistance level. And then $30.40 are the two key ones. That's the 6 months, right? Even we go back to year to date. And I want to show you something that you might be seeing us like, no, there's not much. What's going after that? I have been trading this stock close to about 4 or 5 years now, right? And I remember this runs right here time and time, and this drop time and time. So once that one is done, folks, right? What is going to be the next resistance level? Sorry if you weren't able to see in my chart, but there's not the key level. But it's going to be all the way up here. It's going to be sitting right here at $58. Yes, that's a big gap. You must be saying it's a big gap, but yeah. But before that, we're going to have this, because since we have this breakout right here, right, that's about $45 and, sorry, 40, around $43 to $45 right here. But if I kind of zoom it up, I'm not going to draw it because honestly, I didn't spend time with that. But it is going to be somewhere around $43. Yes, it's going to be around $43, a big gap on that. So while you're sitting at 27, you break out the 30, woo-wee! We're still looking at all the way to $10 run up. There's nothing much holding it up. Yep. Do I see it coming back? I can see it coming back high as where the Bitcoin did takes, but I can definitely see it coming high of $50. Making the way before $80. Yes, that is my target area that I am seeing at about $50 to see that where we at. Then I'm not saying I'm going to share my shares. I am going to wait and see how it's going to have that pullback. It's going to drop to about $10 back again. If it goes to $50, you're going to have that $10 drop back again and see where it is trading. If I see it keep dropping and people are panicking and selling, which is very common in the stock market, then I'm going to decide where I'm going to sell it at. But this is some key levels for mine. It's about $50. Do I'm going to plan sell all the shares? Absolutely not. That's a proportion of it. Have some capitals free, lock some profit, and then move forward on that. But I'm not going to sell my entire shares on that. right? That is my plan. I'm not saying go stick to my plan and follow it. Not a final advisor. Just sharing my technical analysis with you guys. And then, like I said, the 1 year, it is kind of have a better idea of where we're going to be trending and heading, and you can clearly see that it's sitting right here. We got rejected twice. This is the big crunch point over here, but that destroys that. Oh man, $30.40 is the next one, right? And then I'm gonna keep kind of spread it out and work on the technical side. Sorry folks for the late video. The reason is that I was get my errands done quickly before I go on my vacation, and I wasn't planning to do a video on Monday. Absolutely not on any videos, but the 2 stocks, actually 4 stocks on my portfolio went up, and I wanted to share quickly with you guys. But I will be doing my another video for marathon on Wednesday before I head out to the Hawaii Islands and back home in Fiji for a small trip of vacation. But stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because this is just a start. I did mention it, just a start, but we gotta be very careful. We're gonna have a drop off coming up very soon because it just went massively high, and it's gonna he filled up the gap. So this is I'm worried about to see if it's gonna break out or no, because people are gonna start locking profits and selling it, because you have a major stock hold. People will be holding it right around this area, right around the 30 area is where people are. So folks, buckle up, fasten the seat belts, because we are about to test some of the key levels. And as mentioned, I will be doing more videos coming through. I'm not going anywhere. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, because I'm here for the long run. Ask me any question you have, what the islands, where I'm going. I'm excited, I'm pumped, and I know you are too. So stay tuned.